Your jeans have a hole? Don't throw it away. Try these 2 easy repair ideas. Here's the first repair idea, an embroidered flower. I used pink embroidery thread to create flower petals around the hole. One petal at a time, the damaged area becomes part of the design. Next, I stitch a yellow flower center right in the middle. The flower center completely covers the hole while creating a cute little flower on the jeans. Now for second idea, a heart-shaped patch. I cut a heart shape from a piece of old denim that matches the color of the jeans. Then place it over the hole and sew around the edges to secure it in place. With just a few simple stitches, the hole is completely covered, and the jeans get an adorable decorative detail. 2 repair ideas, 2 different styles. Which one do you like better, the embroidered flowet or the denim heart patch? Follow for more video.